This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I am at the Florida State Fairgrounds with our Executive Director, Dave Kelly. Dave, now it is still a couple of weeks until the big show, but the RVs are already rolling into the fairgrounds. Just how big is this show?
Well, this year, I think we're going to set all kinds of records for RVs on display. Our rally is already sold out, already selling advance tickets, so the crowds are anxious for the show. And even though it's a few weeks away, we already have RVs in place here at the fairgrounds. So, last year we set a record with over 80,000 people. We're hoping to come close to that again this year. Interest in RVing has just taken off since 2020. People are reevaluating their travel options, and was just reading this morning about airlines canceling flights and storms and everything else. So people are really reevaluating how they travel and the kind of trips they take. So we're really anticipating a big show this year.
Wow, no wonder it is called the greatest RV show on earth. In addition to RVs of all kinds, what else can we expect to see at the show?
RV shows are great because a show like this, we have almost everything on display from the manufacturers. So whether you're looking for something small, something large, something inexpensive, something a little bit on the higher end, there's an RV for everybody, no matter what your price level or what your activity is. So RV shows like this are a great place to come and get your questions answered. And part of that is our seminar schedule that we have. This year we're trying something new with a complete new slate of seminars every single day. So if you do come to the show on your second day ticket, you could see a whole different slate of seminars, from lithium batteries to chassis maintenance to generator maintenance to guided RV tours. There is really something for everybody out here. And like I said, there's an RV for everybody.
It sounds like you don't want to miss this show, whether you're an RVer or just interested in learning more about RVing. This is the place to be for everything RV. In fact, it is so big that every ticket comes with a free second day entry. The tickets are already on sale on our website, frvta.org. Just click on the Super Show link at the top of the page. While you are there, check out the interactive show map and plan your trip to the show. The gates are open Wednesday, January 18th through Saturday, January 21st from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sunday the 22nd from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, FRVTA, for sneak peek and opening day videos of the Super Show, our multi-dealer regional shows, and highlights of Florida attractions, state parks, and our amazing members. Thank you for watching, and we will see you at the show.